Hi, so how you can design a gift voucher or certificate or coupons using your mobile device? Very user friendly and no app installation required. You can use your browser, okay? Any browser, for example, Chrome. So you can see lots of templates are there. So 450 templates are there. So you can always search with your business keywords, okay? For example, coffee, you search, you will get related coupons or discount cards, okay? So with coffee we have this actually gift vouchers available. So for example, I want to edit that one, so you click on that particular um, design or template. So make sure you are logged in. I am not yet logged in, okay? You create a free account, all the resources will be there and you will be landed on this particular page, okay? So from here you can customize it further. For example, this is the text I want to customize. Then logo means sorry, image I want to customize. I want to add my own logo, okay? So you can upload. For that you should logged in, okay? And these are the actually options. Templates you can change, okay? Because I have already selected one template, you can see lots of templates are there. You can see change anytime. Then text, okay? You have the background option over here. So I am showing you all these options over here, okay? You can see one by one I am telling, okay, from this area add down. So shapes, you have shapes. Then images, okay? You can add images. Then QR code, basically this is QR code with website, email, phone, SMS, contact, event, logo, and these are the styles with QR, okay? And you have the videos, you should be logged in, and these are animate option, okay, with rise, shake, pop. And over here you will find a few more actually very useful options. So first you have this reset. Once you will click on this reset option, your design will be reset to its original version, okay? Then this is basically a redo and undo button over here. For example, I just made some changes and I just want to bring it back. So this is the option with undo, redo, okay? And this is a delete option over. If you click, it will be deleted, okay? This is visibility option over here, okay? You can decrease or increase as per your choice, okay? Then you have this option over here, bring it front or back, and this is a copy section, okay? Copy paste, okay? So I hope you are getting my points and you are enjoying this tutorial. So be with me. I will tell you everything. Few more steps are pending. So you have the save option over here. Make sure you save the designs time to time, and download and print, okay? This is a download and this is print. So you should have the account logged in to download or print it, okay? So this is how it works. Now we are ready to customize it further, okay? So for example, this is voucher, okay? You can see this is the voucher option over here. So I don't want voucher, I want it as coupon, okay? Gift coupon. Then you can increase or decrease this uh, text size, okay? Sorry, this is not increase or decrease a text size. This is actually, if you click on this element, okay, you will get new sections, okay? So you can see enter your text here. So if you want to add new section, you can always click on this plus icon, okay? And to increase or decrease text, you have this plus sign. So there are two plus sign option over here. One is this one to increase or decrease the text size, and this one is for mainly to add new section or element, okay? So you can see our text size is getting increased, okay? Now this is basically under this drop down you will find different fonts, so you can select your own fonts. Now we have this color, font color. If you want, you can change the color as well, okay? But I want it as white only, or to its original font color, okay? So this is it was white only. So now these are the element section, left, center, right, and this is capital, okay, and small letter. You have the spacing. If you want, you can increase or decrease, okay, adjust the spacing. Now these options are very interesting, okay. These options over here, three options: carved, outline, shadow. So if you click on this, you will get carved option over here. You can increase or decrease the carved size, okay. I don't want, so I will untick this. Outline, basically you will get outline, okay. You can see means you will see around each letters you will get outline, and you can change that outline color as well, okay. You can see in this way it will work, okay. So I don't want any outline option, so I will uncheck this. Then shadow, okay, you have the shadow option also with blur, x and y offset, okay. So this is all about the shadow. I don't want again, so I will simply uncheck this, okay. So this is how it works, and you can customize it further, okay. Now with images also, you have shapes, colors, okay. You can select your own shapes, and this is the background. If you want, you can uh, change the background also, background color. You have lots of colors over here, okay. You can change the color if you want. Now this is image. You can search with image, for example, coffee shop, okay. Just let me see if any particular, yeah, so coffee images are there. You can select this one, okay, this image, and you can set it as background also, just for example, okay. So I don't want, I will delete this one. And you can upload your own image from this image section. You will have one option called upload, okay. This option over here, upload, okay. So I hope I just explained you everything. And this is interesting QR code. So here you can add email, phone number, SMS inside QR, okay. Event, contacts, then event title. If it is event title, you add contact, means you add your contact details, okay. Name, first name, last name, phone number, email, website, company title, logo, and then you will get your own QR, okay. With this, once they will scan, they will get all these details. So for website, for example, website, just you add the URL, logo, and shape you want, you just add, okay. Then you will get your custom QR, and you can change the color also, background and QR code color, okay. Then you have some videos. Make sure you are logged in, and this is animation, so I want to show you that one as well. For example, this is a cup, okay, coffee cup. I want to add animation to it, so I'll simply select this rice, okay, animation. You have lots of animations over here, okay. You can change it. For example, slide, okay, this is a slide. This is bounce, okay. You can animate it. So once it is ready, you save it and download, okay. So this much for today. If you have any questions, please ask me, okay, and give it a thumbs up so that it will motivate us. Please make sure you check out our existing design tutorials. We have lots of tutorial on Photoshop, Canva, then flyers, okay, WordPress, web designs. Lots of actual tutorials are there. You should check them. And this much for today. Till then, take care. Bye bye.